Hey Golden Garden Moments fam, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a detailed beginner's guide to gardening. Everything you need to go from beginner to confident grower. So if you've never planted a seed before or you want your garden to thrive, stick with me. Section 1. Why gardening matters. Gardening isn't just a hobby. It's a lifestyle. It connects us with nature, gives us fresh food, improves mental well-being, and lets us see life grow right in front of us. Whether you want herbs on your balcony or veggies in your backyard, you're in the right place. First, planting zones. This tells you when and what to plant outdoors. That little number on the seed packet? It's not decoration. It's essential for success. Your zone depends on your climate. Seeds and plants suited for your zone are more likely to grow well outdoors. If you pick something that's not suited, don't worry. You can still grow it indoors or in containers. Section 3. Choosing between containers and garden beds. Not ready for a big garden bed? No problem. Containers are amazing for beginners. Deep dive. Why containers? Great for patios, balconies, and small spaces. Use pots with drainage holes so roots don't rot. Choose potting mix, not heavy garden soil, for happy roots. Examples of easy container plants. Lettuce only needs 6-inch deep pot. Herbs like mint, basil, thyme, cilantro. Mini peppers and grape tomatoes. Section 4. Sunlight and location. Plants love sunlight. Most veggies and flowers need 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every day. Tips: observe your garden or balcony through the day to see where the sun hits. South-facing spots usually get the most sun. Too much direct sun? Some plants prefer partial shade. Section 5. Watering the right way. Watering. Beginners often overdo it, but too much water can drown your plants. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Best time? Early morning or late afternoon to reduce evaporation. Different plants have different needs. Leafy greens may want more water than succulents. Mulching helps keep moisture steady and reduces how often you water. Section 6. Trimming and pruning. Trimming isn't scary, it strengthens your plants. Think of it like giving them a haircut so they can grow healthier. Tip: trim dead or old growth so new stems get energy. Don't worry if plants look blah for a week, they'll bounce back stronger. Section 7. Soil health and natural fertilizing. Soil is where everything starts. Better soil equals healthier plants. Add compost or organic matter to boost nutrients. Coffee grounds and crushed eggshells are great natural additives. Compost keeps nutrients cycling and helps soil structure. Section 8. Pests and natural controls. Pests are inevitable, but you don't need harsh chemicals. Let's talk natural defenses. Tips: encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs or bees. They prey on harmful bugs. Neem oil is a great natural spray. Just reapply when needed. Inspect leaves often. Early action makes a huge difference. Section 9. Plant spacing and maintenance. Plant spacing matters. Plants that are too close compete for water, nutrients, and sunlight. What to do? Follow spacing info on seed packets or plant tags. Keep pathways or space between rows, easier for weeding and harvests. Weed regularly to let your plants shine. Section 10. Start small and learn. Begin with a few easy plants and expand as you learn. Gardening is a journey, not a race. Quick tips: keep a gardening journal. Record what works and what doesn't. Join local gardening groups or forums. Advice from real gardeners is gold. Celebrate every sprout. Even small wins matter. Thanks for watching Golden Garden Moments. I hope this beginner guide gave you the confidence to get your hands dirty and start growing. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what plant you're starting first. See you next time. Happy gardening!